Yesterday.
These are white strawberries.
The next day.
Today I'm Strawberry Jeffrey. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. My two nieces, Alexa and Johan, likes it when I'm silly on my videos. So today, I'm wearing this strawberry hat. Let's see if you can take me seriously. So in this episode, we will be replacing an AC vent on this 2008 Nissan Armada. This particular AC vent is located in the second row seat on the ceiling of the truck. Now, if you go to a dealer, they want to charge you with a whole ceiling unit, which is almost $800. But if you go to eBay, there's a seller there that sells this AC vent individually. And if you give them the VIN number, they can color match your AC vent so you would get the same color as your original one. All right, let's start replacing it. And just to reconfirm, the AC ceiling vent that we're replacing is here on the second row seat on the ceiling of the truck. This one. To remove the AC vent, open the AC vents, then hold it from the inner part of the vent. Turn it counterclockwise to release from the locking mechanism and simply pull it out. Here's the old one and here's the new one. When you put it in, line this up with the opening of the vent, then push it in, open the vent again, hold it from the inner part, then turn it clockwise until the locking mechanism locks. And there you go. And that is how you replace an AC ceiling vent on this 2008 Nissan Armada. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Strawberry Jeffrey, and thank you for watching.